Welcome to the wonders of the earth, the blue carbon ecosystems. Tourism in these unique habitats offers incredible rewards for both nature and the communities. But it also brings challenges like habitat disruption, pollution, and biodiversity loss threatening these delicate ecosystems. The challenge is finding the proper balance. My research tries to explore how blue carbon tourism could be fit into a regenerative and a sustainable model. Outputs will be a framework of tourism practices in blue carbon destinations, resulting in enhanced blue carbon conservation, boosted local economy, and preserved local culture and traditions. Join us. Together we can make a difference.